Baki and I will be talking about Kilua. Para siyang very, very bad dream. Hindi ka makapaniwala na nangyari yun. Hindi ko ma-imagine yun pag nangyari yun. Don't even wanna say it. Like, hindi ko ma-imagine na something like that would happen to any fur parent. I couldn't watch the video. Hindi ko kaya maisip yun. Kung ma-imagine yun that would happen to Baki yun. And dogs are very, very loving. I understand that sometimes we do get scared. You have to be careful if they get too rough or you get too rough with them. Feeling ko na mabait yung aso ko na he doesn't hurt, he doesn't bark. Pero yung ibang tao, takot pa rin. Kasi they don't know my dog. If they didn't do anything to you naman, you don't have to hurt them. Because dogs are also scared. And the reason why they're aggravated sometimes or takot rin sila. Naman kailangan saktan. So, sobrang sakit nung nangyari. And I'm sorry that happened to you. Baki and I are so sorry. Our dogs have a very short lifespan. Every moment we give them the love that they deserve. Kasi honestly, sila, they give so much love. No? You are loved, no? You're loved. Sorry. You're loved, no? You're loved. You're very much loved, Dor. You're very much loved, no? You're very much loved.